students in math class. Lecture second about the cubes. Yes, what are the effects of cubes? You have already made a chart of cubes. Have you seen? The cube of even number is always even. The cube of odd number is odd. The cube of any multiple of 2 is divisible by 8. Look here, like 6 cube is equal to 216, which is divisible by 8, and 6 is the multiple of 2. Similarly, the cube of any multiple of 3 is divisible by 27. Like 15 cube is equal to 3375, which is divisible by 27, and 15 is the multiple of 3. Now, the cube of positive number is always positive, and the cube of negative number is always negative, like that. Minus 5 whole cube is equal to minus 3375. These facts are very important for this chapter. Reminding these steps and how we will make perfect cube of those numbers which are not perfect. There are two ways, either by multiplying a number or by dividing a number as per requirement of the question. Here one example for you. Find the smallest number by which we must multiply to get a perfect cube. We must multiply it. We must multiply, that is, number must be multiplied so that product is perfect cube. Okay, for doing this you have to make the factors of 3136 by prime factorization method. Everybody knows about it. So see, look here, 3136 have factors like 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, and then 7 into 7. You can easily observe it. There is a factors with 2 and 7. Now we will make the groups of triplets of like numbers. First group, that is 2 into 2 into 2, one group, and then one group of triplet, and then we will make another group of triplet. Here is one more group of triplet, but 7 into 7 remains ungrouped. To make it complete triplet, we have to multiply it with by 7 so that 3136 become a perfect cube. Okay, so you have to multiply 3136 by 7 to make it all the group in the triplets, and it will become a perfect cube. Now I am going to take one example of number by which this must be divided so that quotient is a perfect cube. To make quotient is a perfect cube, we will again factorize it by prime factor method. You have seen that 3136 have factors 2 into 2 into 2 and 2 into 2 into 2 and 7 into 7. Okay, again grouping it into triplets. There are two group of triplets, but 7 into 7 remains without triplet, remains without grouping. So to make it perfect square, look here very carefully that those numbers which are not in a group have to divide by multiplying with each other. Have to divide by multiplying with each other. Okay, so we find that 7 into 7 left without grouping. So we divide 3136 by 7 into 7, that is equal to 49. Okay, student. Okay, now 3136 must be divided by 49 so that quotient become a perfect cube. Okay, students, whenever any number without grouping, you have to multiply all those factors and divided by all those factors. Okay, like here by 7 into 7 without grouping, so we will divide, firstly multiply each other and then divide by the number. Okay, now after dividing 3136 by 49, we will get a perfect number, perfect cubic number. Our next topic is how to find the cube roots of a number. Cube roots of number can be found by two methods. One is by prime factorization, other is by estimation method. Okay, now we will discuss firstly prime factorization. Cube root by prime factorization methods. What are the steps involved in this method? Same steps. Make prime factors of perfect cube number and then group the factors into triplets and then take one factor from each, multiply all the factors taken from triplets and the product will be the required cube root. Now we will get the method to find the cube root of a number. How to find the cube root of any number? Either it is positive or it is negative integer. Okay, I am going to take the same number. One is positive integer and other one is negative integer. You will proceed the same step. Firstly, you will find prime factors like that. You know 217 is divided by only by 13. So 2197 when divided by 13, we will get 169 and again 169 divided by 13, we will get again 13 and 13 is also divided by the same number 13, we will get 1. Because 13 is a prime number, so we can take 13 as a factor of 217. Okay, 2197 is equal to 13 multiply 13 multiply 13, and we will make the we will put the sign of cube root on 2197 and also on 13 into 13 into 13. Make a triplet. You have seen that it will exist in a triplets. If any another triplet, then we will take one term from each triplets and multiplied all those terms which are in triplets and we will get the answer. Hereby we have only one triplet, so our answer is only 13. Okay. Or in case of negative integer, I have taken the same example. I am going to take the same example, that is 2197, but putting negative sign with this. Make prime factors, but no need to put negative sign hereby. You will make the prime factors only of 2197. Similarly, we will get the prime factors 2197. That is equal to 13 multiply 13. Again, we put the sign of cube root on 2197 and on the factors also. You will get firstly the cube root of positive integer, that is 2197. You will get 13. Now you will write again the statement, that is cube root of minus 2197. That will becomes equal to minus and then cube root of 2197. You have to write minus sign outside the cube root, put hereby. Okay, now you will get your answer. Cube root of minus 2197 is equal to minus 13. Nobody will write the negative sign in this, in the prime factorization steps. Okay, nobody will put any sign in prime factors. We will make prime factor only of positive number. Okay, here you will see that cube root of negative number is always equal to negative and then cube root of that number. If you have 6 factors and you will put negative sign with each factor, then all negatives will cut down and you will remains with positive sign, and then your answer is wrong. So no need to put negative sign anywhere else before than that. Okay, students, before than that. It's all about our method how to find the